Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm pretty much just going to talk a little bit about last month's trading and this month's trading. You can see the differences already. Like, this is mostly forex pairs. Here we have some cryptocurrency as well. Last month was my first negative month, like I said in the previous video. This month we're doing pretty good. As you can see, the totals are up here. Quick reminder, I'm going to be taking a funding challenge at the end of this month. So I'm going to be making like another little series. Like, the most popular thing on my channel was my thing called FTMO Let's Go. That's when I was taking the FTMO challenge. This time I'm taking a different funding service. So this is called Finative Funding. They just let me hold trades over the weekend, and since that kind of is my style, I do prefer swing trading. So FTMO doesn't let you hold trades over the weekends, so that doesn't suit my trading style. So I'm going to Finative Funding. The amount which I will decide to try and aim for will be announced like later on. Yeah, so that's it. So stay tuned for that, and let's get into my trading. So yeah, last month, like I said, it was my first negative month. Here it says minus 3.2%. On my eToro, it says something a little bit different. So as you can see, it does say that I lost 9% on my eToro, which is weird because I track every single trade on my Excel document, and for some weird reason, I actually trust this more than eToro. Not because I'm being biased or anything, but eToro has been a little bit weird sometimes. Like, sometimes I don't even take any trades, and then you'll say like I'm up or down like 0.5%. So it does some weird stuff. I think it's because some trades which I opened up last month and closed this month have registered on that, but still I don't think I lost like that much towards the end of last month. So yeah, I was trading lots of forex. You can see like I had a little bit of a losing streak, a little bit of a winning streak, then losing streak, and didn't recover from that. This month is different. I was trading some BTC, some ETH, got a forex pair here, got some gold forex pairs, and then some crypto mixed with some forex here. So I'm going to just talk about my Bitcoin trade and my ETH trade because this was an interesting one. So this is what you can sort of expect with cryptocurrency. I'll quickly break down what I saw. I'm pretty bullish on BTC, so I could see that we're in an overall uptrend, especially on the higher time frames, like the weekly and the month. This is just the daily. So I found the key levels. After the rejection from this key level, I saw that we broke up above 44k. We've tested it twice. We created a higher high. Just up here, I highlighted this box, and then price came back down into like a resistance, and that sets a higher low, double bottom formation, and I was targeting the last major highs up here. So it makes sense to me. This was all good. And the trade was going actually pretty decent until this happened, and I will show you now. So yeah, we were in profits more than what, like probably 2%, maybe a little bit more. Then all of a sudden we had a huge crash. We saw some resistance at the last key level, and then price dropped through and hit, like, it broke through the last minor key level and then touched 44k. So this huge like liquidation, I think there was like the whole market was like the Bitcoin market was over leveraged. So that means like people were playing with more than they had, and usually when you're over leveraged, it takes smaller movements from the market to have like a bigger effect. Like with smaller movements of the market, you can make or lose more. So when you're playing with really high leverage, price doesn't really need to come down too much to wipe you out. So lots of people got wiped out because of these liquidations. We hit below 44k. That took me out of my position. Lucky I was playing with a very, very small risk. So yeah, that wasn't like much at all, but yeah, this tends to happen in crypto. So I got taken out of that, and as you'll see, it's pretty much the same situation here with ETH. So same thing, I was in profits quite a bit, and then price, like I was nearly at my take profit, and then price melted down, broke through this key level, and this key level, and wiped me out. But that's just the nature of crypto, I guess. Like, I'm totally cool with that. This is what I'm expecting. My risk management is really good, so even if I get wiped out of like big positions, or not big positions, if I get wiped out like in crazy ways like this, it's still just like the same small loss, and then I can just re-enter here at a lower price or wherever, which I did with both. So the ones that you can see that are blank, I haven't actually completed. Well, besides these two, I forgot to take the after photos, but these were slightly profitable trades. All these ones I'm in at the moment. I'll actually go through some of my forex trades. So here we have AUD JPY, downtrend, I saw this top forming. It was like a triple top. We saw a spike up, which I think was a spike to grab liquidity just above the key level. We double topped it and started making our way down, and that's when I short the pair. I did come into a little bit of drawdown, but then I made my way back into profits. How much is this? This is currently 1.5%, so I took out 20% of my profits and I'm letting the rest run. I'm just trying to practice, I'm trying to incorporate my crypto sort of strategy trading plan into my Forex and merge the two together, so by taking profits and managing the trade more actively. So took some profits on that, that's going well. The Euro GBP, I'm currently in drawdown. I'm having some doubts about this trade. I feel like if we do break through this trend line, then I'll close it so at a smaller loss, or maybe take partial like stops out, so take small like little hits, like little losses, so change the position. But pretty much I saw this high, like this double top being formed, then we've just started forming lower lows and lower highs. Currently in a little bit of drawdown, it's not too bad, but yeah, it does look like we formed a higher low, so we might see a break above this higher high, or this level high, and we'll see what happens there. Then with AUDCHF, we are in a little bit of profits here. I saw a high being formed, we broke below this support, started treating it as resistance. It was pretty much a retracement into a fib zone from this high to this low. We can see a clear rejection into the 0.618 level. So that's just here, which also lines up perfectly with this minor level. So I took a short once we saw that rejection, came into drawdown, like profits, and then drawdown. Now we're back into profits. It looks like there is a bit of a resistance, a support here. But I'm going to chuck on a little indicator, which is called the fixed range. It just helps me look at where the volume is. So most of the volume is up here. So worst case scenario, if we can't push through this area, we're going to come back to look for liquidity. So price will come back up, or most likely come back into this area if we do need more strength to push down. But if not, we'll see like a break through this area and hopefully a continuation down to this next level. I'm feeling pretty good about this trade, but we'll see how it goes. My stops are well placed above the last high and this minor level, and above the POC. That's what this red line is called. That means the point of control. That pretty much just means where the most volume is in this given range. So that's looking good. But yeah, that's just a quick wrap up on my trades and a little a little review of how last month and this month has gone and is going. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to be uploading much more often. I'm really keen for this, incorporating crypto and Forex together. Things are going good, not gonna lie, so I am feeling just a little bit more pumped than usual, so that motivation sort of adds to like why I want to film more as well. But that's good, I like it. I mean, it's just motivating me more, and releasing more videos and doing more motivates me even more, so it's like a little loop. So yeah, I'm pretty keen. I'm going to bounce now and edit this video, so enjoy the rest of your day, I guess, and catch you in the next one.